Hello and welcome to MargBooks. Today's topic is how to add opening stock in billing general. MargBooks allows you to easily add the opening stock already available in your business, ensuring accurate inventory records from the beginning of the financial year. Now, let's understand how to add opening stock in the billing general module of MargBooks. First, log into MargBooks. After logging in, the dashboard will open. From the left side menu, click on Masters. Next, click on the Opening Balance option. Now, select the Stock option. After that, select the Godown where you want to update the opening stock. Once the Godown is selected, the item list for the selected Godown or main store will appear. From the list, click on the Opening Stock option next to the item for which you want to enter the opening stock. Now, enter the opening quantity for the item and press Enter. In the same way, you can enter the opening stock for all your items one by one. Once the opening stock has been entered, the initial quantity of your items will be saved in the system. This ensures that future billing, stock management, and other inventory transactions are maintained accurately and systematically. This is how you can easily add the opening stock of your items in the Billing General module of MargBooks. With this, the process is complete. Thank you for watching. For more useful MargBooks tutorials and updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.